Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams, and seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn, and in this video you will see how to crochet quick to make cord. This is my own pattern. Let's get started crocheting. Please join me. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the chain. Take seed beads, and I remind you, before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Make chains with seed bead. Yarn over the hook and make a chain with seed bead. Then make 2 more times. 1, 2, and 3. I don't pull them. It is very simple and quick to make chains. Turn the work. I'm turning the work in one direction. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make puff stitch. Make 5 strings. Insert the hook into the chain stitch and pull up a loop to the level of the chains. First time is ready. I need to do 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. Make a chain. My first segment is ready. Let's crochet the second segment. For the second segment, make 3 chains with seed bead. 1, 2, 3. Then turn the work. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space. Pull up a loop to the level of the chain. Make 5 strings. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. My second segment is ready. So I will repeat the second segment each time. Let's repeat. Make 3 chains with seed bead. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. And insert the hook into the chain space. Pull up a loop to the level of the chain. Then make 4 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain. The third segment is ready. And let's repeat. 3 chains with seed bead. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space. Pull up a loop to the level of the chain. And 4 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain. Continue with the next one, make 3 chains. 1 with seed bead, 2, 3, turn the work, yarn over the hook, and insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. In total it should be 5 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain. So keep working this way as many times as you need for your project. Then I will show you how to complete my cord. It is very delicate and simple at the same time. If you don't like seed beads, you can make some chains. Once I have done the last segment, and now I show you how to complete my project, I already cut off my yarn, make a chain and pull it. My cord is ready. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry, or you can remove it on the back side using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. Let's stop and look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. For example, I have done the second cord made in the same way as I showed you in this video tutorial, but used blue color of yarn. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my cords. This is my own pattern that I created recently for you. I really like work with seed beads, so you can find a lot of video tutorials where I will show you how to work with seed beads in different techniques, and you can crochet a lot of small motifs with me. All additional information about the kind of tools, useful links could be found in the description of this video tutorial. You can use it like a bracelet, belt or another accessories for yourself or for home or kitchen. It depends on your imagination and your project. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time, and good luck in crocheting. Bye!